It is a profound honour to be nominated to serve as head of the government in a free, democratic and diverse republic. We should never take for granted the freedoms and opportunities secured for us by the generations who sat here before us and by the men and women who fought and campaigned for the establishment of Dáil Éireann. I could not be more thankful to all of those who have been at my side and have helped me to achieve the honour of being nominated to serve as Taoiseach. As they have grown, my children Micheál, Eva and Cillian have moved from being observers to being pillars for me. They are unflinching in their advice and constant in their support. I have been blessed to have a partner in Mary who has done so much more than just keeping me rooted. No position I have held and nothing I have achieved would have been possible without her. Mine will be a government which seeks to work in a spirit of practical republicanism, a spirit which has helped our country achieve so much in the past and which is essential if we are to meet the challenges of today. A spirit which will create equality of opportunity for all, which will work to underpin and promote the status, the dignity and independence of people with disabilities. A spirit that will build more houses at an accelerated pace and work every day to build reconciliation between the different traditions on the island of Ireland. Go to Níl Míle Mágaibh, agus ní Nart go Cor Chéile.